Guys, it's Chris. I'm here at Copart in Woodburn with this F-150 ready to pick up and tow back to Troutdale. We just pre-tripped it and inspected it. It's got some issues. Hopefully it drives. If it doesn't drive, we're going to tow it. Either way, we're going to tow it with our wrecker. But it's got some mechanical issues in the back. Some dings and dangs, you know, scratches here and there. No cracked windshields, no major catastrophes. It's a 43,000 mile truck that's being purchased by the customer. We're going to tow it to the customer's address as provided. Here again, we're still at Copart here in Woodburn. We secured this F-150 to our wrecker here. The lift itself is hooked up. The tie downs are tied down. The wheels are strapped. We've got lights in place, tow lights in place. Truck is in neutral. The seat belt is secure. We got blinking lights in the back. We're ready to roll. And so we're going to be taking this to Troutdale as a customer. The customer's waiting for it right now. Hello, it's Chris. We just brought this car back to the customer here in Troutdale, and here it is.